Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. This is my indicator. First we have need to copy this indicator. Go to the Pine editor, paste my all code, and let me show you a very good create new indicator. Okay, now control A, control V, and add to chart. Here we go. The indicator will be look like this one. Let me show you. We will see the results in the 30 seconds time frame. It is a strategy 57. Okay, just go another 67% in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and in the 3 minute time frame 67. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame 73%. Okay, that actually a very good strategy, and I will show you the whole details. Just wait few minutes, and 15-minute time frame it goes to the 73%. If you will see the results in other some time frame like euro usd 5 minute time frame, mostly people like 5 minute time frame. Let me show you 51. Okay, in the gpv usd 57%. Okay, and if you will see the results in the crypto market like btc, okay, 78% almost. Okay, this is the most recent sell signal. Here you can see. Okay, and in the ethereum 72%, in the solana 73%, in xrp 76, ada 77, bnp 76. Okay, ltc 76, avx and doge in utc. Okay, you can see it is giving you almost more than 70% accuracy. Okay, and if we will talk about the forex pair, okay, let me show you some gold gpb 73%. Okay, 63% euro usd, and so on. Okay, here we go. You can see the result is like this one. So the question is now the either the indicator is repainted or not. Okay, so to check the repaint issue, first we have need to find here. You can see there is 15 indicator. The most recent last one is this one. Okay, just go to the style. Okay, and uncheck the buy and sell signal. Okay, and that's it. Now your indicator will look like this one. Okay, this one really good one for the scalping. Now we have to check either the indicator is repainted or not. So we will replay the mode, and we will check from this point. Okay, where we got the buy signal. Here you can see before buy signal we will check the replay option, and let's see either the indicator is repainted or not. Okay, here we go. We got the buy signal, and you can see. Okay, let's see more. Here this one is really good one. When you got the signal, the price was 5,154, and here you can see this one. Okay, this one. Okay, really good one. Check the signals are not repainted or repainted. 100% not repainted. Here you can see buy signal, and you can see when you got the signal the price was 5,190. Okay, and this signal did not give you a very good profit, but the point is did not give you the loss as well. Okay, but the good point is of this beauty of this indicator is loss in one trade, recover in the next trade. Okay, so here the loss in the one trade and it's recover in the next trade. Okay, so when you got the signal, the price for 5,189, and you can see goes to 5,131. Okay, here you can see for the scalping it is a really good one. Okay, so I show you the results in the forex crypto stock, and I show you the indicators is not repainted or repainted, 100% not repainted. Now the question is how you can get the indicator, and let me show you some my auto trading bot results. Okay, this is my mt5 auto trading bot results. Let me show you here. Okay, this one and this one, not this one. I think where I saved the video. Let me find someone. Okay, we have need to find the previous videos. Okay, okay, now I think this one. Okay, this one. Today is Saturday. Here you can see.
Hopefully you're
Saturday
here we
market is
start the
off
board.
today, so
Our first trade is
you
in
can see
loss.
the results here.
Okay,
Let me
but we will
sound. Okay, yesterday I record this video of my auto trading bot results. Okay, I record a video of almost 2 hours. I run the bot almost 2 hours, and first was loss one, and then after 2 to 3 hours I will come back and I will get the profit of around, you can see, $1,157. Here you can see this one. Okay, 1,157. Okay, and here you can see this was the feedbacks. Let me show you the some feedbacks. Okay, these are the feedbacks for the people who bought. Okay, this is the real count. First is check, this is the real count. Check the date, 25 February. Okay, 25 February. Deposit was $561, and withdraw minus $403, or you can see the profit. Okay, let me show some more. Okay, here you can see, first check real account. Okay, profit is 1959. Okay, 1959, and you can see all the things. Okay, let me show some more here. Check, there are real account, XM. Okay, profit is 1369. Okay, and let me show you 1369 profit. Okay, and you can see, let me show you some more. $6,090. Check live account, each and everything. Yeah, you can see. Okay, let me show you some more results here. Okay, this is the real account, MT5 real account. Okay, and the profit, let me show you some profit. Okay, this is the real account. Here you can see. Okay, this is the 26th February. 26th February, and you can see 20 date. Date today is 28 February, and you can see it's 28 26th February. Okay, yeah, it means Saturday. Also 30 Thursday. Today is Saturday, and in the Thursday you can see the it's give us the profit of around, you can see this one. Okay, 26, 25. Okay, and you can see. So and now I show you the feedbacks of the people, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. Now it's time to subscribe my channel, and how you can get the indicator or auto trading bot. Today is Saturday, so that's why I'm not running my EA and not showing my EA results, because yeah, you know, today is Saturday and Saturday market off. So WhatsApp, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram. Okay, simple hoga, one write one at the end must. Okay, Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye, take care.